Pinag-usapan talaga namin lang. Masinsinan namin pinag-usapan na. And I think what's happened is ASEAN is leaving it to each country to decide on their own. ASEAN will not take a common position. Because in our discussion, everyone has a different idea. So we will have to decide for the Philippines what it is that we think we should do. We will watch other countries to see what they should do. I still believe that we will come to a consensus as to what to do by December 28th when the election is scheduled. I still think, I'm definitely going to be calling around and saying, because it would be much preferable if ASEAN moves as one. So that's what I will try now, starting from now, because it's already scheduled December 28th now. So we have to come to a decision as to what it is that we are doing. There are differences in opinion on the different members, but the differences are not enormous. I think that if we talk about it somewhat, we will find a common ground as to what we do. What that is, I cannot predict.
So in the event that there's no consensus,
in the event that
there's no consensus from ASEAN members,
then the Philippines will move itself, and we will agree to disagree. But that's how ASEAN works. You make up your own mind. If we would like to bring you into the majority, for example, then we will. We continue to talk about it. And as I said, I think all the member states, all the leaders of the member states understand that it would be much, much better if ASEAN took a common position and moved as one. That's what I would be advocating.